Hello everyone and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Asus Zenbook 14X OLED. And I'm really excited to share this one with you as it impressed me a lot with its excellent feature set, portability, impressive specs and an attractive slimline design. But before we jump into the details, I've got to give props to whoever came up with the packaging design here. The way that laptop lifts up when you open the box is a very classy touch. Straight away we can see that this is an OLED display which offers true to life colours with its Pantone validated 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, 1:1 contrast ratio with a speedy 0.2 millisecond response time. All of this is packed into a 14.5 inch 2.8K display running at a buttery smooth 120Hz, and not to mention it's also touchscreen. And I've got to say that the display looks absolutely stunning, as you'll see with some examples a little bit later. The 2880 by 1800 display has an extremely high PPI or pixels per inch, making text, images, video and well, basically anything you view look absolutely incredible. As for the rest of the box, you also get various paperwork and of course the power brick that connects to the Zenbook via USB Type-C. The 14X weighs about 1.5 kilograms and has a strong yet slim aluminium alloy chassis and lid. It's available in two classy colours, this one being sandstone beige and the other being inkwell grey, with the sandstone beige model having a plasma ceramic aluminium finish which feels fantastic. The side profile is less than 16.9mm thick and can open up to 180 degrees thanks to its flat lay hinges. In terms of ports, you've got a HDMI 2.1, 3.5mm combo audio jack, two Thunderbolt 4 ports which support displays and power delivery, as well as a USB 3.2 Type A port and plenty of ventilation to the sides and underneath the Zenbook. Opening up the lid for the first time, we can see the beautiful low profile ErgoSense keyboard, multi-use touchpad and a few more tech specs such as the long-lasting 70 watt-hours battery and full HD infrared camera. The ErgoSense touchpad allows for multi-touch gestures and access to an awesome numpad display which can be activated at the touch of a button on the smooth anti-fingerprint coated touchpad. As I mentioned earlier, this is in fact a touchscreen display which features Corning Gorilla Glass and Asus Pen 2.0 support. From my experience with the Zenbook 14X over the past couple of weeks, it feels very much like how I use my MacBook Pro, but of course with Windows instead. I love the form factor, the weight, the sturdiness, the practicality, and most importantly the fluidity of use and its gorgeous display. Talking of, let's get this thing turned on and set up. As with most devices these days, the setup was easy enough, aside from Windows trying to get as much of your data as possible. Jokes aside though, I find the touchscreen very intuitive to use, although I will be mainly utilising the touchpad going forward. With the display now on, we can finally see the vibrant and bright colours that this small but mighty Zenbook has to offer. So let's get down to tech specs. The Zenbook 14X has a few different options available, ranging from an i5-13500H up to an i9-13900H, as well as the choice between either 16GB or 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and up to a 1TB M.2 NVMe drive. As for graphics options, you can either opt for the Intel Iris Xe or the option of the Nvidia RTX 3050 4GB laptop GPU. This particular model I'm showcasing today has a 14-core, 20-thread, 2.4GHz i7-13700H processor which can be boosted up to 5GHz. It has Intel Iris Xe graphics, 16GB of DDR5 RAM, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and of course all of the display specs that I mentioned earlier. As you can probably tell, the OLED display offers true blacks which makes viewing content an absolute pleasure, and it's perfect for graphic design work, video editing, artists, and honestly a fantastic general experience, especially when paired with that 120Hz display. And on a personal level, this is really going to come in handy for that video and photo editing on the go. I'm honestly finding it really hard to pick things to criticize about the Zenbook 14X. It does everything it sets out to do and more, and is probably one of the most enjoyable tech experiences that I've ever had. The only real downsides that I can pick out are probably that the battery life isn't that amazing, but considering the power the machine offers, I'm not all that surprised, but this could be an issue if you're without access to a charger all day. I was personally getting about 8 hours of life on a medium workload and just over 12 hours on a lighter workload. As for charging, I went from 0 to 50% in a touch over 40 minutes, which I have to say is fairly decent. As for pricing, depending on the specs, you're looking at about $1,200 or £1,200, so it does fall into that sort of MacBook price range, but considering the features the 14X offers, it's not totally unreasonable, especially compared with the similarly priced Dell XPS 13, which lacks the standout OLED display and scores just 8,500 on Geekbench 5 multi-core, compared with the 14X's impressive 12,000. Aside from that, the keyboard is very comfortable to use for long sessions, as perfectly demonstrated by little Maya, who is also making use of that handy touchscreen display. I'll now let you watch a few clips with the laptop's raw audio and 4K content to see what it's capable of. Bearing in mind both video editing and YouTube compression will have taken place by the time you see this.
I know one thing. Wherever we go, this family will go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Visually, stunning is the only word that covers it. It's beautiful and it's vibrant. The only possible complaint I can have here is that the peak brightness is only about 600 nits, but unless you're in direct sunlight you won't have any issues whatsoever. As for audio, it's, alright. It lacks any sort of bass or depth and comes across as a bit tinny, but it does an adequate job regardless. You can always pair Bluetooth headphones or go old school with the audio jack if you want to. Overall, I absolutely love the Asus Zenbook 14X. It's fast, it's pretty, it's reasonably priced considering the specs, and a great all-round device. For general use in graphic design, this is well worth considering, with a plethora of features such as the OLED display, touchscreen, 2.8K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and much more. As far as notebooks go, this one will not disappoint. To find out more about the Zenbook 14X, head down to the links in the description, or feel free to leave me some questions in the comments section below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to the channel if you're new. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.